Welcome to Certifiable Optician 101. The greatest difficulty I have witnessed students having is visualizing many of the concepts that lead to certification. The effective prism, the meaning of the optical cross and how it is used, finding the power on the 180 line. There is a leap to be made from the concepts that are lying cold on a piece of paper to understanding it in form and principle and application. I have endeavored to turn the more difficult concepts, according to my students, into drawings and diagrams to aid in visualizing the concepts. The addition of context to an otherwise dry formula or concept makes understanding easier and more natural. Memorization is aided by the visual framework that is part of the Certifiable Optician family of learning aids. In the 101 course, we cover the essential metric system units and the simple conversions needed. An overview of the basics of the physics of light needed for certification without unneeded extra complexity follows. Diagramming light rays and how they act with mirrors and lenses is a need-to-know topic. At the end of this course, you will understand the different mirrors and basic lenses and their effect on light rays, the very essence of what an optician does every day. Prism has been a stumbling block for many students I have worked with. I have endeavored to simplify the concept and tie it together with lens theory. Understanding how the power of lenses is calculated and measured will be part of this course. And then finally, we tackle the concept of the optical cross and how it relates to the prescriptions you will encounter every day as an optician. This course is designed to get you well along your journey to be certifiable. Let's dig in.